Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert bullets in Google Chat text message. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert bullet in Google Chat text message, open your browser, go to Google Chat and in left side menu bar you will find the list of your chat friends. Just select the chat friend. Here in typing area, you will find an icon formatting options. Just click on formatting options and then you will find here in formatting options. You will find an icon bulleted list. Just click on bulleted list. Look, the bullet is inserted. Now you can type your text. I am typing my channel name, system admin, and click on send. Look, the text is in bulleted list mode. This is the easiest way to insert bullet in text message on Google Chat. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.